What if they were looking for him?
Sup mates, today I will show you how using Wonder Dynamics replace characters in Gen 2 footage to get such results. First off, we need to go to Runway Discord and generate a base footage. It should contain recognizable humans in the frame, otherwise Wonder Dynamics will not be able to recognize them. Next, we need to create a new project in Wonder Dynamics. Choose Advanced as we need to have more control on characters. Drop in your footage, cut it if you need to and click Next. Then click Scan to recognize actors in the frame. Found actors will be in white boxes. Next we need to choose which character will be assigned to which actor. If you are experienced in 3D software, you can upload your own characters. Sam's character is small, so it's better to turn off scale, so he would not look giant in the frame. Then click Next to send it to render. If you need more cap, clean plate, masks and other assets for Blender, you can choose them here before starting the render. From my experience, 3 seconds of footage are rendered in 81 minutes. You can simultaneously render multiple versions of the scene to save time. Note that on a free account you have 7 minutes of render time in total. I already rendered the scene. Here we can preview the video before the export. If on a previous step you choose to get assets for Blender, you will be able to download them here too. Now let's export the video and drop it to Runway to delete background. Create a new project with the green screen. Drop in the video. I already have it in Assets library, so I can drag and drop it on the timeline. Now just click on characters that you want to stay in the frame. Auto mask can be not perfect, so you can refine it manually. You can erase extras in exclude mode. I noted adding keyframes with excluded extra masks results issues with blinking, so I kept all mask editing in the first keyframe. Preview the result, and if everything okay, click Done Masking. Now we got a video with a clean green screen. Now let's generate a background. Let's go back to Runway Discord. It's hard to get stable footage of what you want, so I decided to put on a background one static frame from a generated video. Now let's click on empty space in the window and change project size and background color. Then let's add subtitles. We will use them to generate speech in Uberduck. I chose one of the characters from Love, Death, Robots.
What if they were looking for him?
Drop in the generated voice. Place it on a timeline the way you want. Preview everything.
What if they were looking for him?
Then send to export. You can see the rendering video. Here is one I already exported. You can give it here a final preview and download. Have fun, mates!